This grey Lenovo Ideapad S145 laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This thin and light laptop weighs only 1.85 kg, making it ideal for people on the go. Powered by the AMD A6 processor, the laptop is suitable for browsing and daily use. With 1 MB cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop features a 4 GB DDR4 RAM with integrated graphics. The Lenovo laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 35 Wh lithium polymer battery that provides a battery life of up to 5.5 hours. This Lenovo Ideapad laptop has a 15.6-inch HD display with anti-glare technology, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. The narrow bezel on two sides makes for a clean design and larger display, giving you more viewing area. Equipped with 1.5-watt dual speakers and Dolby audio, the laptop provides an immersive audio experience. The laptop comes with a 180-degree hinge, giving greater flexibility to the screen and protecting it against any accidental damage. The laptop has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port and 1 HDMI port for easy connectivity. It also comes with a 4-in-1 card reader and 1 combo audio and microphone jack. This laptop comes with AC adapter included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Before starting your Office activation, please make sure that your copy of Windows is activated. Your activation location is in the same region where your device was purchased. The device's date and time are set automatically. Now, let's get started with your Office activation. It only takes 7 steps to activate your copy of Office. Step 1. Launch any Office app from your app list or by typing in the search bar. Step 2. To start the activation process, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, create one and then sign in. Step 3. Click on the Activate Office option when it pops up. Step 4. When a web browser window appears, sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the next activation prompts. Step 5. Follow the instructions and complete steps 1, 2, and 3 of the activation process. Step 6. Once Office is ready, open your Office app and click on the refresh icon. Step 7. Open a new or an existing document, then click Accept on the license agreement. And now, you're ready to start using Office. Get more, do more with a complete PC.